Welcome to the webinar entitled Key Sales Tools All Lawyers Need in Their Toolkits to Develop Business in 2014. Who we deal with. So who goes into your pipeline or your list? I'm on page 14 of your handout. You want to put your key and very best clients, not just those with whom you currently work, but others. That's probably one of the greatest problems I've seen over the last 20 years in my practice, in the sense that most lawyers kept their best and key clients' name on their list at all times. However, once that person left, they didn't know anyone else. So you want to know, if you know the general counsel and the general counsel is your friend, you want to get to know the associate counsel, the assistant counsel, the staff counsel. All of those people potentially represent work. But more importantly, it's not just the in-house counsel that you want to get to know. You might also want to put on your list, who is the human resources director? The human resources director often has multiple legal needs that may or may not be centralized through the legal department. So you want to make sure to include all the business units as appropriate if their legal needs are not centralized through the legal department. Even more importantly, on your key and best client list, don't ignore the people you deal with there. I can't even tell you how many paralegals and administrative assistants of general counsel are in positions to refer and mention your name to others. So you want to include everyone that's associated with that best and key client, both in terms of the in-house counsel, the business unit, as well as board members potentially. Even if you don't know them and you might not want to know them due to conflicts, at least know who they are. You want to know the people, basically the lay of the land of all the people associated with your best and key clients. I hope you found this webinar useful and helpful. And if you need any help, or if I can be of future service, please don't hesitate to contact me.